And what about the back pain? Do you still have your back pain that you had before surgery?
No, I was expecting back pain last night when I laid on my back. I didn't feel that. I was like, where's the pain? It wasn't there. I didn't feel it. And even after laying on my side, switching to my side, I didn't feel it. It was just different. It felt like a dream, to be honest.
Feels like a dream.
Yeah.
And good morning, I'm Dr. Ari Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my lovely patients who is from North Carolina, Charlotte. She drove down here to have her back fixed, and she's been having back pain and leg pain for years. She's been treated on and off by different pain management doctors without getting any long-term relief, and she came to Deuk Spine Institute for the Deuk laser disc repair, right?
Yes.
And that was less than 24 hours ago, and here she is on her first day after surgery. How are you feeling?
I feel different, totally different. The pain that I was feeling from my left ankle all the way up to my back was just, I'm not feeling it right now. It's different. I gotta find my legs again. It's just, it doesn't seem real right now. It's just how I feel.
Feels good, huh? To actually not have that pain anymore. And what about the back pain? Do you still have your back pain that you had before surgery?
No, I was expecting back pain last night when I laid on my back. I didn't feel that. I was like, where's the pain? It wasn't there. I didn't feel it. And even after laying on my side, switching to my side, I didn't feel it. It was just different. It felt like a dream, to be honest.
Feels like a dream.
Yeah.
Well, it's not a dream. It's real. Congratulations, your back is fixed. Now, if you watch the video of your surgery, you can actually see we got into those two discs, the L45 and the L5S1, which I thought were causing your pain based on your exam. And I tested them, and they certainly were causing your pain. They had 10 out of 10 pain, and when we repaired them, I knew that your back pain would go away. And that's why you're not having any back pain today.
Yeah, excuse me. It's different right now.
I'm happy for you.
Totally different. I've been through this pain a long, long time. Changed my whole lifestyle.
Yeah, and you were told by doctors there was no way to fix it, right?
Well, basically what I was told, I would be in a wheelchair. Excuse me.
And do you feel like you're going to be in a wheelchair anymore?
No, I just feel, I don't know how to feel. I'm so happy. My goodness.
Tears of joy. That's how you should feel.
They are. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah. And are you having much pain from the surgery procedure itself?
No, it's, I think when I twisted a little bit trying to reach something, which I probably should have been reaching that way, it felt a little pain, but nothing else. It's just unreal right now.
Yeah, you can see with the video, we used a small incision, 7 millimeters. That's why you're not having any post-op pain. With traditional spine surgeries like laminectomy and discectomy, you have to take powerful painkillers like narcotics because there's a lot of damage to your body under the skin, but not with the Deuk laser disc repair. It's so gentle, you don't need narcotics. Are you taking narcotics now as a result of your surgery?
I've been taking Lyrica and things like that, and I kind of got myself away from them and was just taking Tylenol, but I didn't even take the Tylenol last night.
Didn't even take a Tylenol last night, and she's not taking it this morning, not having any pain from the surgery itself. Well, is there anything else you want to tell all your fans out there?
When I get back to Charlotte, I see lots of customers that come in and out of the store, but I've been telling them I was coming down here and I want them to come and see Dr. Deuk. I mean, it's unreal, that's all I can tell you.
What kind of store do you work in?
In a convenience store.
Nice. Excellent.
And I see a lot of people that come in there that say, or they always ask, well, how do you come to work with your back hurting? I say, I don't have a choice to come to work, but if I could stay home, I would, but this is where I'm going next month to have my surgery. And I always tell them to look up Dr. Deuk on YouTube and see the reviews, not just the surgery part, but just the other videos about, your spine itself in general. So I can't wait to get back in. I got this one customer that I just really, really hope he comes down here to see you. I gave him that information. So. maybe he will.
Well, you had faith in us, and I think you're going to be very happy with the long-term results.
I certainly appreciate you all of you. I'm sorry my hands are a little teary.
That's all right, sweetheart. Congratulations.
Thank you,
I'm very
thank you.
happy for you. All right.
Yes. Oh, wow.